Party just carried out primaries within less than 24 hours ago.
Yes.
How is it?
I'd say that it was okay, but it had its own challenges, which I hope that the party itself will address. But overall, I would say okay. It was okay. But they have to address the challenges inside.
What kind of challenges are you referring to?
You see people complaining of irregularities, right? I feel those are challenges they should address.
Who are those people that brought irregularities in?
I wouldn't know if I wouldn't know the exact person who brought in the irregularities, but like I said in my personal video, I've just realized that we have Julius Abure in every political party. So there must always be the Judas inside any gathering of good people. So for the irregularities you saw, or I'm confirming, I'm sure a bad person did it. However, I'm trusting NDC to address the situation.
As it is now, is there still confidence in the party?
100% confidence. We are not party people, we are people. And the reason why we are in this party is because of Peter Obi. As long as the driver knows how to drive, we are sure of getting to the destination.
Do you expect some people working against the party?
I don't expect any sane Nigerian to work against the party. I don't expect any sane Nigeria to work against the Peter Obi candidacy. Except you don't mean well for your children. So, grievances or not, we must put it aside and focus on the main goal, which is fixing Nigeria from the top.
So some of the aspirants are looking at the amount, each amount spent to get to that point, and at the end of the day got disappointed with the irregularities.
If you think anybody has siphoned money from you, I think it's an act of fraud. Go to the EFCC and report. There are rooms for litigation, I'm sure. However, because of what you've said and what I think the party is watching right now, I'm sure they will address these grievances. And you, for one, would confirm that of all primaries that have been conducted in recent times, the NDC so far has still been one of the best. Right?
Are you sure?
I'm asking you.
Well,
you are the reporter, so with the reports you've gotten, don't you think the NDC, you're a reporter, don't you think the NDC primaries is still one of the best so far?
You are confirming that?
I'm asking.
Well, you have to confirm.
Nigerians have confirmed that. I'm not saying it's void of irregularities, but I'm saying with all you have seen, don't you think NDC primaries is one of the best or the best?
If you had to rate in 100%, or what will you rate the party that just came up?
I will allow the aspirants or candidates rates.
Because the party is new in the system.
Yes.
But the players in the system are not new.
We have a lot of new people too. We might have one or two old persons there, but we have a lot of new people, youths who are now interested.
What should we be looking out for as soon as possible now?
Oh, heated campaigns, door-to-door campaigns. We're going to be going around, we're going to be spreading the word. The OK movement, the obedient movement, the Kwankwaso movement, every movement in Nigeria that speaks for a better Nigeria is going to stand up now. Because clearly, we now have headsway. We've been waiting for this moment, the moment where Peter Obi is certified as the true candidate of NDC for the presidential ticket and Kwankwaso the vice president. Now we have gotten it, work starts. 40 million votes for Peter Obi and Kwankwaso 2027, inshallah.
If you are to divide the votes, how many are you expecting from the south and from the north?
How many?
I'm
expecting 100% votes across the nation. Like I said in my other interview, hunger has done more mobilization than we. You know, hunger has united all of us. So this is not about north and south. This is about hunger. This is about surviving. This is about insecurity. It's about healthcare. It's more than north and south right now. Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, everybody's coming together. It's all about saving Nigeria. So in this election, we are not hearing north or south or east or west. We are hearing survivor, Nigeria, survivor.
you are one of the people that speak out for others.
Yes.
There is accounting for those that were kidnapped in Oyo, including the beheading of a teacher ahead of them.
Yes.
What do you have to say as
It's
regards
terrible. It is terrible. It's the state where we now find ourselves, where people be beheaded and the country is calm. It is heartbreaking, it is terrible, and my heart goes out to all the families, the Oyo State government, the Nigerian federal government. We hope that they sit up and do something fast to sabotage, to fix this situation. It's really terrible and heartbreaking. Literally, Nigerians, we are not living in fear. But hopefully, that's why we are hoping that Peter Obi gets in and fix this whole chaos going on in our dear country.